Hi guys, welcome to our review of Kellogg's cornflakes. This one is their original flavor pack. So this pack of 55 gram has MRP of 20 rupees and it has a shelf life of 9 months. But once you open the pack, you consume it within 30 days. Okay, and if you look at the ingredient, it has 90% corn grits and rest all list is here. So these are not flavored one, they are just plain cornflakes, and these cornflakes are made from sun ripened corn. These are not deep fried, just sun dried, so it is considered as a healthier option. And the cornflakes are light, crispy flakes with satisfying crunch in every bite. And they have a subtle sweetness also. If you taste them raw, it has a slight subtle tinge of sweetness. And we have the option to have these cornflakes with warm or cold milk, and I'm gonna pair it with cold milk as they maintain their crunch texture well in cold milk. So you can add sugar or honey for sweetness and top up with fresh fruits or nuts. I'm using almond, pista and pumpkin seeds. And they are so delicious. Your quick and convenient breakfast option which is ready in minutes. So this one is naturally cholesterol free and they contain only 1% fat. So you can count on Kellogg's for great taste, convenient breakfast that is nourishing, and Kellogg's is definitely a go-to choice. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Subscribe for more. Bye bye.